Chinese New Year is always a big deal in my family. I remember New Year's Eve, we always have a huge feast with families and friends. Throughout the whole entire duration of New Year's, the door's always open. There's used to be always snacks and sweets lying around the house. So how do I celebrate it now? Well, I try to go to Chinatown and just absorb in the whole vibrant scene and just try to sneak in a quick Chinese meal when I can. I use oyster sauce all the time. At least once a week, I'll make myself a really quick oyster noodles using Lee Kum Kee premium oyster sauce. One of my signature dishes that I love to make is red braise. Red braise is basically stewing meat or vegetables in soy sauce for a long time. My favorite is red braised chicken. For fried egg sandwiches, I usually use oyster sauce instead of typical brown sauce. And for spaghetti bolognese, I always add a little bit of soy sauce in it too. I really like Lee Kum Kee XO sauce. It has dry shrimps, dry scallops, herbs, spices, and it's great for sauteing vegetables. Lee Kum Kee is the only sauces I rely on cooking at home. The flavors really remind me of my mother's cooking when I was growing up. For more delicious Lee Kum Kee recipes, follow our social media channels and subscribe to our newsletter.